Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to share your current location on Messenger. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Step 2. Open the chat where you want to share your location. Once you're in the chat, locate the plus icon at the top left corner of the screen and give it a tap. Step 3. A menu will appear. And from there, select Location. This will allow you to share your current location with the chat. Step 4. Now tap on Start Sharing Live Location. Messenger will then start sharing your live location with the chat, allowing others to see where you are in real time. Sharing your current location on Messenger can be helpful when meeting up with friends or letting loved ones know where you are. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your current location on Messenger. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.